Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And a while back, I made a video on how to put horses around a ring, and I went about it really the long way. I actually made part of the ring and then manipulated it, and this is so much easier. So make two rings and take the inner. I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 18 inches. Take the inner ring and move it out of the way. Then take your horse, it's a clip art that I cleaned up, and Control D and duplicate it, and then see how far you can get your horse by going to the center and just move it out of the way. And you want something that will be divisible by 360, so 20.3, we can go 20. So we can change this to the center, and we can open up the transformation docker, go docker, transformer, transformation, and we want 20 degrees, and we would need 18. We've already got one, so we're going to go 17. And then just take the whole thing and weld it. Then take your ring and put it back in, and take your smart fill tool and fill it in with whatever color. We're going to use black. And now you have horses around the ring. It'll look much better when we left click or right click, no outline. And you could do this with any object. Pretty cool effect. On the previous video, I just went way out of the way to actually make this curve. And the more I play, the more I know. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.